एक फोटो सगळे याद रे मागे सर टोकलाय का very happy that my son along with that full panel of Together for Parra we have got them elected 6 members out of 7 of Together for Parra have got elected and I am so glad Porrekara people the voters of Parra I thank from the bottom of my heart for getting our panel elected with a very huge margin.
Carrasco वाडो या वाडोवयल्या लोकांनी आता ओवर 200 लीड इतल्या मतांनी म्हाका जिखून हाडलेले आसा दे हॅव given me a clear indication that they want me as their representative as well as the people of Parra who have come together and elected a great mixture of youth as well as experience for Together for Parra panel. काळजांसून सगळ्या पर्रीकारांक देव बरें करूंक म्हणून सोदता एंड वी वील नॉट फेल यू वी वील स्टँड बाय यू कसलोय डिसिजन घेताना आमी वांगडा घेवया along with the youth, along with the elders, along with our business minded people so that we generate employment for our youth who are suffering today big time. अनेकदा सगळ्यांक काळजांसून देव बरें करूंक सोदता.